Hello, my name is Mayur Mekwan.
I'm Anubhuti Desai.
I'm from London. I live in London. She used to live in New York. After our marriage, we stayed in different. We traveled a lot, and so when we thought of having the baby, we did not want to waste a lot of time because we were also aging at that time, getting close to 40. And when we were thinking about different ways of conceiving, or rather you wanna talk about it?
As he mentioned, we were both involved in our jobs and which were highly
Time resource
time
consuming.
consuming and also related health issues because of several hours at work. So when we tried to conceive naturally, we had trouble, and I was also diagnosed with a medical condition which was not very complicated, but still we were having issues. So we didn't want to waste any time, and we went after first our initial consultation. He suggested that we go for IVF. In the very first trial, everything went very well with us in our case, and we were successfully able to bring our son into this world, which is a moment of overwhelming joy for both of us, our families on both sides, and we have absolutely no words to thank Dr. R.G. Patel, Dr. Shweta Saxena, and the entire Sunflower Medical Healthcare team
Yeah.
for giving us such a great care during the entire IVF therapy period during my pregnancy. Even after our son was born, the pediatricians did a great job with him. He is super healthy kid. He is a super special kid. I have no words to describe how happy I am to have my son in my life. And we as a family and we as a couple want to extend our deepest heartfelt gratitude to Sunflower Hospital. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Your advice for couples exploring IVF.
I have personal experience of couple of my friends who had tried somewhere else. They just not only failed or suffered financially, but their bodies also suffered. Right, it's immense pain if you're not doing the right way. And when we started, we had that knowledge that the IVF process is going to be very painful, because I had seen those couple of people suffer and still not succeed. I would strongly suggest anyone who is even thinking about it, don't be afraid or don't be ashamed. There's nothing to worry about. Just come straight to Sunflower, because our experience here, as I said earlier, this was the first time we even thought of doing it. This was the first place we came, and in our first visit, when we met Dr. R.G. Patel and other doctors and staff, we decided that we want to do it here. And touch wood, everything from the very first day to the delivery to this day, everything has been so painless, so smooth, because everyone at the hospital took care of everything pretty much. All of the medications were so very precisely adjusted during every visit by doctors, and we felt like Dr. R.G. Patel was giving us personal treatment. Like we know that there are hundreds of patients who come here every day, but every time we met him, we felt like he was giving us personalized attention, and that is really difficult in this day and age. But the success that we had, and the other friends that we have observed in the past, I would strongly suggest anyone who is even thinking about doing it. This is where we had our best experience and success. And this success is not just any success. It's not like your commercial or professional success, right? It's the joy of your life. So don't take risk, don't take any chances with this type of things. Just come to Sunflower and see Dr. R.G. Patel at least once, and then determine yourself.